let's talk about some of our favorite RV gear.
Now that we're back from our 4-month journey, we thought we'd like to share with you some of the items we were very happy to have on our trip. Be warned, we did do a lot of these videos live in our clutter after being in the van for 4 months. So enjoy, and we hope you find this helpful.
So here are 11 items for you to look at. These are listed in no particular order. Number 1, black diamond headlamps. Campgrounds are dark at night, so you need a flashlight. And if you want to have your hands free, a headlamp is much better than a handheld light. We like these black diamond headlamps. One of the things we like about them is that in addition to a high and low setting, they also have a red light. If you like stargazing like we do, a red light will not ruin your night vision like a white light.
Number 2, Made Smart hanging organizers. You're always looking for places to store stuff in a Class B RV. These over-the-door organizers are great and come in several sizes. Here you can see the one we hang over the beds so we can plug in our phones at night and store other things like our prescriptions. This large one we hang on the rear cabinets, and it holds large bottles, holds a wine bottle, or items that are hard to fit in other places. And this mid-sized one holds some of the cleaning supplies inside the door below our sink. Number 3, Microhearth microwave cooker. Full credit for this find goes to our friend Phyllis from the Embassy Owners and Wannabes Facebook group. This enamel-coated microwave grill is extremely versatile. You can grill meats, eggs, you can cook pasta, bake muffins, and even make a pretty good pizza. And it fits perfectly in the microwave for storage.
Number 4, LL Bean outdoor slippers. After a day of hiking, it's nice to be able to slip into some soft, comfortable slippers. These are great for the campground because they have a hard rubber sole, so you can wear them around the campsite and still stay warm and dry. Number 5, VanWinScreens, also known as Greg Johnson's. Embassy owners are already well familiar with these great front cab screens, but they will fit any Ford Transit, Sprinter, or ProMaster vans. They allow great airflow while still allowing your front doors to be securely locked. Other brands of inferior quality routinely sell at RV shows for twice the price. Number 6, OXO pour-over coffee maker. Because Roseanne's a tea drinker while I drink coffee, we use an electric kettle to heat our water, and then for coffee, I use this pour-over device. What I like about it is that with most pour-overs, you have to stand there and pour water into the grounds a little at a time. This device, on the other hand, has a drip reservoir that lets you fill it and walk away as it drips. Then when it's done, it has this handy drip tray to prevent any mess.
Number 7, Otzi Adventure Gear Grill. Every inch of space in a Class B is precious, and this grill packs down into a bag that's only about an inch thick. When set up, it has plenty of cooking space for the two of us. We like the optional half griddle cooktop for its versatility. We can burn either charcoal or wood. Number 8, Crocodile multi-purpose wipes and McKesson disposable washcloths. For cleaning up around the van, including for wiping out dishes, we use these heavy-duty Crocodile wipes. They're much stronger and bigger than most wipes. You can see the wipes are rather large, so they can be cut in half and used for different areas in the van. One for using for dishes, the other can be used for cleaning the refrigerator, the countertops, etc. For washing ourselves between showers, we use these McKesson disposable washcloths. If you've ever spent any time in a hospital, you probably have seen these in use. They're reasonably big, and sometimes just half of one is enough for a quick wash up. And they're also very handy to use in the campground shower.
Number 9. Wisely Indoor-Outdoor Bug Zapper. I don't care how good your screens are, occasionally mosquitoes and no-see-ums are going to get in the van as you go in and out. We love these USB rechargeable bug zappers for indoor use. At night, we'll hang it in the back of the van when it's dark to attract the bugs back there, often to their demise. Number 10. Garmin Messenger. Since we are retired, it's no big deal having no internet for a few days. But we were a little worried about being off the grid in the event we had an emergency and needed help. So we carry this tiny Garmin satellite communicator. It can summon help from any place you have a view of the sky. It also pairs with your phone if you need to send a text message. Various subscription plans are available depending on how many messages per month you want to be able to send. Unlimited SOS messages to EMS are included in any subscription.
Number 11. SOL Collapsible Sink. This collapsible sink, complete with its own drain, comes in very handy and stores neatly in the van's sink. It's great to have for at least a couple of reasons. First, you can take it outside to your picnic table and do your dishes out there. Secondly, many of the campgrounds have a dishwashing station, and this sink is a great way to cart your dishes there, wash them, saving space in your gray tank.
If you're interested in any of the 11 items that we've showcased here, you can find links to each of the items in the description of the video.
We hope you found this helpful, and we'll see you next time here at Amore Van.